What's going on, guys? Tasche here, and I want to thank you for coming to check out ViraLightning. Now, I'm not going to talk about what ViraLightning is in this video. You can learn all about it right here on the sales page. What I want to do is I want to draw your attention to the button down below me that says Claim Your Bonus. Now, when you click that button, it's going to take you to another page in another tab, and it's going to show you the list of bonuses that I'm giving you when you pick up your copy of ViraLightning through my link through this page here. Now, also pay attention to the countdown timer down below. Once that timer hits 0, the bonuses will be taken away and they'll be gone forever. Plus, as a little extra incentive, I'm also going to be adding additional bonuses and extras to the bonus download page that aren't listed on that page down below. Okay, and again, pay very close attention to the countdown timer because again, once that hits 0, the bonuses are gone. Plus, once that timer hits 0, the special introductory price for ViraLightning is going to end and the price is going to go up as well. So with that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon.